Welcome to Exeter St Thomas station. Find me here. It's quite a weird station considering it's in quite a busy area of Exeter. It's very run down. The platform's very short. There's a Harrington hump here. This is quite always fun. Makes me wonder what the gap is like. Perhaps I'll have a look when the train comes in. Yeah, it's on top of a nice viaduct here. You can look down on. Just here. Yeah. Quite nice here, really. We like it here. Yeah, train coming in a minute. Now arriving, it's class 16X. 165, 166, I don't know. 166203. Gap does look quite big. Ticket machine here, only takes card. Also, the help point here as well. Usual at this station on the Riviera line. Yeah, 166 is departing now. It's service to Exeter. Turbo worker. And yeah, I'll just go outside the front of the station and show you how kind of run down it is. Steps. I've seen better days, definitely. And here it's not step free whatsoever. That sign there. Yeah. The old station main building here. Exeter St Thomas, which was once turned into a live lounge and bar, it seems. And it's now totally abandoned. Very run down. Yeah. Come under the bridge, find the other side. Also again, steps up. Quickly go up there in the video. Just up here, St Thomas station. Just up here. And here it is. Really no Harrington hump on this side. Strange. There's a waiting shelter, a card only ticket machine again, and another help point. And a bin. Yeah, staggered platforms. The station's nice, just the building is very run down now. Well yeah, that just about does it for this video really. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And I will see you very, very soon. Thanks for watching. And it's bye-bye for now from me. Cheers guys, from Exeter St Thomas station.